The image you are seeing on your screen was generated by a generative AI tool. This image is just one of the example how AI is going to change whatever we do and know about IT. Generative AI, along with whatever grows out of it, appears to be the next big thing to transform how we do business. In the big picture view, the recent advances in generative AI show us that extremely large language models are both practical and powerful and can be fine tuned rather easily to accomplish important tasks. Businesses using generative AI will want to build sustainable competitive advantages. To do so, they must combine generative AI with resources that are unique and proprietary for their own business. The large language model used by text-based services like ChatGPT are a type of foundation models, a pre-trained model that in GPT-4's case contains hundreds of billions of parameters. Most companies will be unable to create their own large language models, as doing so requires tremendous resources and expertise. They will therefore need to use foundation models from external providers, the same models available to their competitors and future disruptors. Sustainable competitive advantage can't come just from using GenAI. If you can add a chatbot to the front end of your application, your competitors can as well. So the long-term advantage you will enjoy will come from how you fine-tune your foundation model, what proprietary data you add or use to train the model, or how you integrate the Gen AI into business processes that are truly unique to your own company. So the edge you will gain will be in terms of your own data and the integration. And these are the two fields which are just poised to explode very soon. While the foundation model itself might not be unique to your own company, you do have plenty of data that is unique, data about your customers, their prior transactions, sensors you own or control, your research. Some of that data can be used to fine tune the foundation model, derive prompts for your GenAI applications, build your own models, or simply create applications in conjunction with the foundation model. This is where Amazon Bedrock comes to rescue. This will be the service which will define GenAI in AWS. Amazon Bedrock allows you to use your proprietary data within foundation model in a secure way that keeps your proprietary data private. This allows you to focus on managing the quality of your data and finding unique ways to use it to build differentiated services and competitive capabilities. So I believe that along with integrating other AWS services, AWS Bedrock is going to disrupt GenAI in cloud very, very soon. Thanks for listening.